Meaning of gray area.
Gray area.
Gray area.
Gray area.
Gray area. The term gray area refers to a situation or issue that is unclear or not well defined, and may have no clear or definitive answer. It often describes complex situations that are difficult to navigate due to ambiguous or conflicting rules, regulations, or ethical considerations. In such cases, it can be challenging to determine what is right or wrong, legal or illegal, acceptable or unacceptable. This concept is widely used in various fields, such as law, business, politics, and social affairs, and requires careful analysis and judgment to make sound decisions.